All hail his noodly appendage, for he is from Noodle Paradise. You see what I did there? With the thing on the thing? Went to Noodle Paradise and ordered some mongy beef noodle thingies. Oh yeah, you like being all monged up, don't you? With your Odo thingies, gently caressing him. Shut up! Yes, I went there. So I went to Noodleo Paradiso and got me a bowl. Yes, nope. A bowl, not a plate. A bowl with a lid. Oh yeah, and it has this stuff in it, which is not bad actually. I mean, it looks, smells and tastes pretty good, so awesome job Noodle Paradise. So inside we've got egg noodle, beef, some tomato, bean sprouts, carrot, green onions or scallion if you're a posh twat, spinach, white onion, garlic taste. Oh yeah, you get the picture. Beef of course. All that is being Mongolianified at $10 dues.
Get over here!
It will be hard to replicate. The price is low and it is really good value for money. The taste is really sharp and fresh. So, off to Woolies we go to buy the stuff to cook the stuff to eat the stuff and make this video, yay. So grab your steak, slice it off towards the grain. Add it to corn flour. Give it a mix, just to dry the meat off, so that when you cook it, the oil won't spatter. Next, go and get your pan or wok or whatever you're using nice and hot. Chuck your meat in, but don't make it a mosh pit. Next, chop your 2 or 3 green onions. Next, take your beef steak out. Next, you want to whack up an onion. Oh, yeah. Chop up a couple of tomatoes. Now grate up a carrot. I'm using this funny looking doodacky. Now smash and chop a few garlics. Next you want to add some ranga. Add your ranga and French to the hot oil. Shock it with cold water. Wait till it goes white. Glad a sweet soy. A square thin soy. A big glop of hoisin sauce. Now go and add your palm sugar. Give it a stir. Next add a cup of corn flour and water. About 3/4 to a quarter. Let it boil. Now add your meat. Give it a stir. And bang your tongs on the side of the wok so you look like a professional. Next, get your egg noodles and put some boiling water in it and cover the top. While that's cooking away, chuck your pulverized veggies into the wok and give it a stir. Next, add some sesame oil and some dark soy. Stir it up just a little bit. Add the noodle. Stir it up some more. Next, put some bean sprouts in there. And some spinach. Stir it up. Oh god. Beef and noodle. What are you cooking? Oh, doesn't that look nice and posh? Hells yeah, double thumbs. Coming in at $3.42 per serve, you know what? I rate that. This is Meh from Meh, and make sure you tune in next week where we'll be hunting down little baby bunnies with a ride-on lawnmower. Oh yeah, and make sure you subscribe and stuff so I can show other YouTubers how big my list is. Thank you. Think you're clever. Not really, I just think you're a complete... I forgot the chili. I don't really care now, cause I've already eaten it, and I found it later, but you can add it if you want. It doesn't really matter. If you like the chili, then add it. This is an onion.